Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. GALA continues to be moving actually sideways here. At the moment, there is no clear indication what the wave count is here on the lower degree. I mean, there's certainly the only count, in my opinion, that would make sense here on the lower time frame is to see this as a wave 1 and maybe as a wave 2 here, but it would be very weak and we would head down further. That could send us down quite a bit though. But if this move down by any chance is an ending diagonal, we may have to deal with an ABC structure here. But anyway, what we can do is only to look at the ideal structures. And at the moment, it doesn't indicate to me that it has bottomed yet. As I said before, we only rallied in 3 waves here in this, what I count as a wave 4. I did highlight to you that as long as we stay below this wave 4 low, which is 3.55 cents, the focus is on lower, and the reason for that is because the rally is only in 3 waves. This can still go higher, of course it can, but it is just not a high probability or highly reliable move. You can always get this. So for example, if we have a WXY structure like this one, which is a corrective one, this could be the first wave of a larger diagonal. Then the wave 2 down, the wave 3 would also need to be corrective, then a wave 4 and a wave 5. The problem with this is that it's not very predictable, and it's typically not a setup that is highly reliable to trade, okay? It's not a highly tradable setup, but it's of course possible. There is always a chance, okay? So just be aware of that, but it would literally need to turn around imminently, and it must avoid an overlap or a break below the wave 3 low here of 2.73 cents, or this diagonal idea is completely invalidated. I mean, I think already now it's just sitting on the 78.6 retracement, a retracement level it needs to avoid breaking actually. So yeah, it's already tried to break it a couple of times. So there's a good chance this is indeed going lower. So any break below 2.9 cents would give the bears even more strength here, or would indicate that the bears really want to push it down. So that's already the next level to watch here, because a break below the 78.6 fib level here at 2.9 cents just indicates that this idea of a diagonal is not going to work out. And it's not the primary path anyway. I just want to make you aware that of course upside is possible from here, but it's just not the primary path. And it's also not very likely, yeah, especially given the weak reaction to the low here. So for now, the forecast is on lower, especially as long as we stay below the 3.55 cent level. Next support is 2.56. Then we've got 2.51, 2.42, and 2.4 cents. They are all Fibonacci extension targets that we looked at in previous videos, okay? But the next level where we should see a reaction, well, first of all, we've got the structural support here around, as I said, 2.7 cents. And then the 2.56 cent level is a very, very important Fibonacci retracement level. It's the, the 78.6 fib level. And ideally, we avoid a break below that, but we will see. There's certainly a lot of the Fibonacci extension targets are pointing a little bit lower. But for now, I cannot give you any confirmation that a low has been struck here. So for now, I focus on lower. And also the sideways consolidation after a downtrend rather confirms that view. Just be aware of that important 3.55 cent level, because on a day like that, where we get inflation data, things can turn around quickly or happen very quickly. Okay, that's my update about GALA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.